Gardening enthusiasts often face the challenge of safeguarding their plants from the detrimental effects of frost, especially during colder seasons. Frost can wreak havoc on delicate plants, causing damage to leaves, stems, and even leading to the demise of the entire plant, if not properly protected. Understanding effective techniques for protecting plants from frost is crucial for maintaining a healthy garden. Understanding frost. Frost occurs when temperatures drop low enough to freeze the moisture in the air and on plant surfaces. It poses a threat to plants, primarily because ice crystals that form during frost can damage the cells and tissues of the plants, leading to wilting, browning, or even death. Some plants are more susceptible to frost damage than others, especially those that are frost tender or have tender new growth. Effective techniques for protecting plants from frost. Covering plants. One of the most common methods to protect plants from frost is to cover them. Use materials such as blankets, burlap, old bed sheets, or frost cloth to cover the plants before the onset of frost. Be sure to secure the coverings to the ground to trap heat and prevent them from blowing away in the wind. Additionally, remove the covers during the day to allow sunlight and air circulation. Mulching, applying a thick layer of mulch around the base of plants, can help insulate the soil and roots. This layer acts as a protective barrier against extreme temperature changes, preserving the soil's warmth and shielding the plant's roots from freezing. Watering. Interestingly, watering the soil around plants before an expected frost can help mitigate its impact. Moist soil retains heat better than dry soil, providing some protection to the roots. However, ensure not to water the foliage, as this can potentially cause more damage. Using frost protection products. Several commercially available products, such as frost protection sprays or anti-transpirants, can be applied to the foliage to create a thin, protective layer, reducing water loss and damage caused by frost. Plant selection and placement. Consider planting frost-resistant varieties and placing them in locations that are less prone to frost, such as near structures that radiate heat or in areas shielded from cold winds. Heating and insulation. For delicate or valuable plants, consider using artificial heat sources like incandescent Christmas lights, portable heaters, or even creating small greenhouses or cold frames to maintain higher temperatures around the plants. Protecting plants from frost requires a proactive approach and a combination of different techniques. By employing a mix of coverings, mulching, strategic plant placement, and potentially artificial heat sources, gardeners can significantly reduce the risks posed by frost, ensuring the health and longevity of their plants, even in colder climates. Understanding the diverse methods available and customizing strategies based on plant types and local climate conditions is key to successful frost protection in gardening.